Good morning, all. How are you all? It has been long since we met. Are you all sad for unable to go to your school? I am also sad. I also wish to meet you. What were you doing during this lockdown time? Did you watch TV? Do you like watching TV? What are your favorite programs? Yes, you like watching movies, you like watching cartoons, you like watching other TV programs, right? Let us assume one such situation. Once you was watching your favorite TV program. It was such a wonderful program and you was completely absorbed in watching that program. And suddenly your mother called you to help her in the kitchen. Your mother came and told you to stop seeing TV. Will you stop seeing TV? You will continue to watch TV for some more time, right? You will ask your mother to give 5 more minutes to watch TV. This is a common situation. Have you ever experienced such a situation in your life? Yes. So, here you are unable to stop watching your TV. Here you continue to watch TV for some more time. Here even after your mother coming, you didn't stop watching your TV. You will continue to watch TV until and unless your mother comes and scolds you. Is that true? When your mother comes and scolds you, you will definitely stop seeing TV. Until and unless your mother comes and scolds you, you will continue to watch TV. Right? What is this inability called? Have you ever wondered? Here you are having an inability to stop watching your TV program. There is a definite name for this inability to stop watching or stop doing something. We can discuss this in detail. Let us assume another situation. Do you all like running around? Have you ever played catch and catch? Let us assume that in your school sports day, you participated in a race and you participated in a 100-meter race and you was running at your maximum speed to obtain the first position. But after reaching the finishing point, you was unable to stop yourself. The race is up to finishing point, so you have to stop at the finishing point. But your body was unable to stop itself at the finishing point. Your body continued to move forward with the same speed for some more time. Then slowly it stopped. Here, what made your body stop? Have you ever wondered? Yes, the friction between your feet and the ground helped you to stop yourself. If there was no friction, what will happen to your body? Have you ever wondered about this? Let us see a similar situation. You went to a park. You chose a slide to play. And you went to the top of the slide and you were sliding down at a high speed. And even after reaching the bottom end of the slide, you was not able to stop. Your body moved with the same speed for some more time. Hence, you fell down on the ground. Hence, in most of the playgrounds or most of the parks, you can see some sand laid at the bottom end of the slide. This is to prevent you from getting hurt when you slide down, because after sliding down, after reaching the bottom of the slide, you will tend to move forward for some more distance. Here your body is not able to stop itself. Your body continues to move forward with the same speed for some more time. Your body is having an inability to stop itself. Does this applicable only to human? Let us see the same situation with the ball. Here I am taking a ball and keeping at the top of the slide and I am pushing it down. What will happen? The ball will roll down with a high speed, and after reaching at the bottom, what will happen? Will it stop there? No, it won't be able to stop. It will continue to move forward with the same speed for some more time on the ground. And after traveling some distance on the ground, it will stop. Here, what opposes the motion of the ball? Frictional force. If frictional force was not there, will the ball be able to stop itself? No. The ball will continue to move forward forever. The ball will continue to move with the same speed in the same direction. Here, what do we call that kind of a motion? A body moving with same speed in the same direction is said to be in what motion? Yes, it is said to be in uniform motion. Here the body will continue to be in a state of uniform motion until and unless a friction acts upon it. If there was no frictional force, the body will not be able to stop itself. The body will continue to move forward forever. Imagine such a situation. If you kick your ball and there is no friction around you, what will happen? The ball will move forever in the forward direction. The ball is unable to stop itself. So this inability is not only for human body, it is for each and every object on the earth. Every body continues to be in a state of uniform motion. There is a law behind this. Do you know who has observed this kind of a motion? It was Galileo who first made this kind of a scientific observation. He observed that any object will continue to move forward forever. It does not require an external unbalanced force to move forward. Every body has an inbuilt ability to move forward forever. But in our daily life, have we seen any such body moving forever? No. Why is it so? It is because the motion of these bodies are opposed by external unbalanced force like friction. If there was no such external unbalanced force like friction, what will happen? The body will move forever. So, here each and every body has an inability to stop itself from moving. The body will continue to move forward in the same direction and in the same speed, that in a straight line, not in a circular motion. We are dealing with a straight line motion, that is rectilinear motion. A body continues to be in a rectilinear motion until and unless an external unbalanced force like friction act upon it. Let us discuss any similar situation. Suppose you are traveling in a bus and your bus is moving at a speed of 70 km per hour. Your body will also be moving with 70 km per hour since your body is in contact with the bus, right? Your foot is in contact with the bus, and if the bus is moving at 70 km per hour, your body will automatically move at 70 km per hour. And your body continues to move forward like that. And suddenly the bus stopped. What will happen to your upper part of the body? Do you know? Have you ever experienced such a situation? When the bus stops, your upper part of the body is not unable to stop itself. It will move with the same speed of 70 km per second for some more time. Your legs, which are in contact with the floor of the bus, will stop. Since the bus has stopped, your legs will stop. But your upper part of the body has the inability to stop itself. It is not able to stop itself. It will continue to move forward with the same speed of 70 km per second in the forward direction. Hence, you are pushed forward. And if you are not supported, what will happen? You will fall down. This is a quite normal situation, right? This is all about your body's inability to stop its motion. Every body continues to be in a state of uniform motion until and unless it is acted upon by an external unbalanced force like friction. So, let us discuss this with a video clip.
വേണ്ടില്ലായിരുന്നു
കുറെ കാലം കൂടിയിട്ടുള്ള ആഗ്രഹം
ആണോ ഞാൻ ചെയ്തോളാം
പൈസ തന്നെ. ചേട്ടൻ ബസ്
എവിടെ ടിക്കറ്റ് കൊടുക്കണേ
സോറി താങ്ക് യു ഇസബൽ നൈസ് ഡാ
ചേട്ടാ ഒരു സെൽഫി എടുത്തോട്ടെ
ചേട്ടാ ഒന്ന് പതുക്കെ ബ്രേക്ക് ഔട്ട് ചേട്ടാ.
Here, Dulka is unable to change his state of motion along a straight line by himself. This inability of Dulka's body is called inertia. Inertia of motion. The inability of a body to change its state of uniform motion along a straight line is called inertia of motion.
ങ്ങോട്ട് ഓർഡർ പോലെ അവളുടെ ഒന്ന് വേഗം വാ കുപ്പി കളഞ്ഞിട്ട് ചാടി കേറ് വേഗം കേറ് ഓടി വാ ബാഗ് വിടില്ലട്ടാ ബാഗ് വിടല്ലേ ഇവളെന്നെ ഇവിടെ ഇറക്കി അടങ്ങുള്ളൂ സോറി മറുപടി തരാൻ നേരം
എവിടുന്ന് വന്നത്
ബട്ടക്സിന്റെ ബട്ടൺസ് പോയെന്നൊരു ഡൗട്ട്
ട്രെയിൻ പോയി
ആണാ അത് പോയിക്കൊണ്ടിരിക്കണോ ഞാൻ അറിഞ്ഞില്ല.
Let us now discuss law of inertia of motion. It forms the part of Newton's first law of motion. This law states that every object continues in its state of uniform motion along a straight line unless an unbalanced external force acts on it. Now let us summarize. We learned about inertia. Inertia is the inability of a body to change its state. It can be state of rest or of motion. Inertia of motion is the inability of a body to change its uniform motion along a straight line by itself. Then we learned about law of inertia of motion, which forms the part of Newton's first law of motion. It states that every object continues in its state of uniform motion along a straight line unless an external unbalanced force acts on it. Now you have some home assignment. The first question is, what is inertia? Then you have to define inertia of motion. Then state the law of inertia of motion along with a daily life situation where you can find the application of inertia of motion. Thank you so much for listening.